What's up, everybody? We are back with another video. It is cold as outside, so I am inside the house. We're going to unbox a brand new set of wheels for the Miata. This is the old steel wheel with the chrome ring. It is a 14 by 5.5. We're going up to 15 by 8, so should be a lot better handling when we're done. I've got a scale. We're going to weigh the new wheels and we're going to weigh the old wheels and see how much we lose or gain. So stick around and we'll get these open. Should be my brand new black lug nuts, my t-shirt from a certain well-known wheel company, and then I'm hoping this is center caps because I haven't seen center caps yet. No, stickers. Okay. Without any further ado, let's see what we got. That's right. Is it original? No. Do we love it? Yes. I grabbed myself a set of Inky RPF 1s, 15 by 8 plus 28 millimeter. Like I said, should improve the handling of a car by a lot. But what I want to find out now is how much these weigh compared to how much the old steel wheels weigh. So let's weigh that first and we'll go from there. All right, let's do the steel wheel first. Okay, all in all, I'm trying not to support it. The steel wheel is coming in at 18.2 pounds. The RPF 1 is 19.5. So about a pound heavier per wheel for 2.5 more inches of tread. I'll take it. Okay, I'm gonna get these last two unboxed. I've already got those two unboxed. I have yet to come across center caps, so I'm really hoping they're in one of these wheels because I know I ordered them with them. If I don't have those in here, I'm gonna be a little frustrated. No center caps in that one. Nope, they didn't send me center caps. That's kind of annoying. So I've already been dealing with this company for about 8 weeks just to get these wheels. I had made an order of some clutch SL1s in bronze. They said they had them. Then when I ordered them, they said they didn't. So you're gonna have to buy a different set. I ended up going with the RPF 1s, even though everybody has RPF 1s. I figured I'd go for an all black look on the Miata. And now here we are, 6 weeks later. I got my wheels, but no center caps. So that's kind of annoying, but I'm gonna take these out to the barn, put a jacket on, maybe fire up the heater, and I'm gonna get them put on the car, and we'll take a video of what it is still a little cold, but I wanted to take this thing to get y'all a walk around, so. All right, so there she is all done. I'm sorry the camera's probably a little shaky, but like I said, we got some in-key RPF1 15 by 8s plus 28mm offset. I'm running Hancook Ventus V2 205 50 R15s. They fit pretty good. They're not rubbing. I will say Gwen is lowered 1 inch in the front and 1 inch in the back, which is weird because the front looks a lot lower, so I need to look into that. I think I might put coilovers on it. It's got Bilstein's and Eibach lowering spray. That's gonna do it all for today's video. If you enjoyed it, like, comment, subscribe, show some support. We'll see you soon. Bye.